Okay, good morning. So yun, yung topic natin to discuss for today is all about layer. So si layer is part din siya nung ano natin, ng AutoCAD natin, which is very important. So ano nga ba si layer? Anong purpose niya? Bakit kailangan natin siyang aralin? So si layer kasi, or AutoCAD's layering system is one of its most important features. It allows us to organize, segregate, set the drawing objects, color and line type, control the visibility, and manage plotting of the drawing. So yun yung pinaka-purpose niya. It is for us to be able to organize yung ating working drawings, no? Without even modifying yung certain parts ng ating plan. No? So, ibig sabihin, while working on other parts of the drawing area, rather, no, we can be able to edit specific parts without touching the other objects inside the plan. So, yun yung pinaka-function niya. Think of layering as being able to draw on transparent overlays with each overlay containing relevant or group objects as shown in figure 5.1. So, this is how we are going to illustrate yung layer natin. No, so, as you can see, dun sa pinakaibaba niya, nandun yung pinaka-template lang ng ating plan. The next thing is, nandito naman yung pinaka-layout ng pinaka-object natin. Then, on the third layer, yan, makita nyo naman yung pinaka dimensions, no? Parang, yun yung ano niya. Tapos, or the dimension line. Then, pinaka-last na layer natin, makita ninyo yung dimension itself, no? So, each one, no, kahit anong gawin natin dun sa isang part ng plan natin, as long as we are working with the use of layers, hindi magagalaw yung ibang parts or drawing. So, yun yung pinaka kagandahan ng layer po. So, in AutoCAD, we have what we call as AutoCAD Special Layer. No, so, dun sa GNA-CAD naman, yun yung tinatawag natin na default layer, which is named as the zero. No, kaya kapag nagano tayo, nagagawa tayo, or during nung times na gumagawa kayo, automatically, you start with the layer 0. So, that was the default. Ano ba yung default na yon? Each new drawing created in AutoCAD or in CAD will automatically contain this layer. It cannot be deleted or renamed. So, as is na, di natin siya napapalitan, pero nakapagdadagdag tayo ng another layer. The importance of layer 0 will be discussed further in future modules na gagawin natin, tatalakayin natin. Then current layer, the layer that AutoCAD will place all newly created drawing objects. So if you are starting with drawing pa lamang nung iyong plan, then therefore the starting layer o yung current layer mo, yun yung layer 0. So, one layer is current at all times. So, hindi po siya pwedeng pagsabay-sabayin na gagamitin mo si layer ng ganito, layer 1, layer 2, nang kasabay ng layer 0. No. We can only work on one specific layer. So, hindi siya pwedeng sabay-sabay. The current layer can be turned off but never frozen. Ayun. So, mamaya, i-discuss natin ano ba yung kinaibahan nung turned off dun sa frozen tapos sa tow. Next, ito naman, by layer or by object. Siguro nung binabrowse ninyo before yung properties ng inyong mga lines, yan, yung mga objects na nilagay ninyo dun sa plans ninyo, nakikita ninyo or nababasa nyo itong by layer or by object. Yan. So, paano ba natin nasasabi na by layer or by object? At saka ano ba yung pinaka-default? By default, ang pinakaan natin is by layer po. Wala tayong nakalagay na by object. So, since that was the default, ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga gagawin din natin ng mga activities, naka-by layer po yon. So, ito yung itsura niya. Sa AutoCAD,